Hi there, it's me again. Well, I know we haven't been talking much since, but I was very busy, exam, and etc. I have a less grade if somebody wants to know. In other words, I have In other words, I haven't got much time, like I said before. So, where today's topic is Dilbert. I just watched full season and I loved it very much. It features very classical and unusual humor that isn't a parody on Simpsons or Family Guy or worse shows that I know. Basically, it's an original humor. You can probably not agree with me, but who knows? Maybe I'm right. For all of you, I advise to watch it. Dilbert. Sorry for this small review, I'm kinda tired today. Goodbye, folks, and have a nice day.